Okay, today we have the side-to-side VPN tunnel, which basically I have right here the topology. We are gonna use two computers, which is one is Windows 7, the other one is um, my personal computer, the one that I'm using right now, and we got three routers right here. I'm gonna start building this based on the information given here. And first, we're gonna establish. Uh, I'm not gonna use any routing protocol, but I'm gonna use static routes in order to establish end-to-end connectivity, and then I'll just settle the tunnel so you can see how you can establish the tunnel side to side. First, I have Windows 7. I'll put it right here, and I'll start Windows 7. And I have three routers. Okay. Then, if you saw my previous video where I explained GNS 3 has cloud, and this cloud this cloud means is a uh, virtual network adapter that we're gonna use right here. Um, I'll show you which adapter it is. So config. It is the Ethernet. The one that we have here is the physical. This is the physical adapter of my computer, and this is the virtual adapter of GNS 3. I'm going to change the symbol. Okay. I'm going to start these three routers. Okay, they are now started. I'm going to connect this to gigabit 00. As you can see, the Windows 7 has already turned on. This network is going to be 10, 10, 10. Let's connect right here. This other network is going to be okay. The 31, 31. This other network is and finally we will connect gigabit 00 to the special adapter, which is virtual box host only network number 2. I'm gonna add it, apply, okay. I'll connect gigabit 00 to the virtual box host only network number 2, which is the virtual adapter that I'm gonna use. Okay, now this network is 10, 20, 10, 0, 24. Okay, I'm gonna start configuring this side of the network. R1. Okay. Okay, now that R1 is on, R2. Okay. R2 is on. We're gonna configure a 3. Okay, I think computers are already configured. I think this Windows 7 has already the IP address. Yes, it is a 1010, as you can see right here. And I think this computer mine is already configured. And it is, look, right here, 10.20.10.4. And the virtual is a 10.20.10.4, which it belongs to the same network. That's correct. Now, what we want to do next is establish static. I'm not gonna put any routing protocol to get to each other from Windows 7 to my PC. I'm not gonna get any routing protocol. I'm not gonna use any. First, I will deactivate my firewall. Firewall is deactivated. Okay. Next thing that I will do is enable my physical Ethernet adapter. I enable it. I'll work with a VirtualBox adapter only. That way, from this PC, from the one that I'm using right now, I will be able to ping to PC Windows 7. Now we're gonna establish IP static address route. So for the 10.10.10.0 network, it will go to 2.16.1.2, which is the next hop. Now this router 2 will know the 10.10.10 network via 172.16.1, and we'll know the 10.20.10.0 via 172.17.1.2, 1.1, sorry. Okay, show IP route. We have the 2 static address right here from R2, and finally on R3, IP route. The 10.20.10.0 will go out 172.17.1.2. Okay. Let's show in R1 IP route. Okay. I should be able to ping from PC Windows 7, which is this one, to my PC, which is 10.20.10.4. 10.20.10.4. Let's wait a little bit. Let me double check. Actually, it will be the Yeah, 1020 10.4. Let's try to ping from my PC to 10.10.10.10. Not getting replies. Let me see why. Okay, so I wasn't able to get any reply from at the moment from PC Windows 7 to PC Windows 10, and that's because I put the wrong gateway for the my physical network adapter. So I'll change that immediately right here. No IP address 10.20.10.2. That's the one that I meant to put right here. Now let's see. Show IP interface is brief. Let's see if now I'm able to ping from, and as you can see now it's pinging because I had the gateway, I had the wrong gateway right there. 10.10.10.10. It's pinging. Both sides are pinging right now. Okay, now that we have full connectivity from this PC to this PC over here, we are gonna establish the tunnel. First thing that you need to know is there are some commands that you will have to enter first in R1 and R3, because those routers are the one in charge of getting the tunnel up. So let's open R1. Let's create first a username, which is admin0. Actually it's admin01. Privilege 15. Password is going to be admin01 pass. Okay. Now to encrypt the password, just put right here. I think the 0 goes right here. Password 0. And then admin01 pass. Now it's encrypted. And don't forget to put IP HTTP server, IP HTTP authentication local. Okay. Let's do the same in R3. This time it's going to be username admin02, privilege 15. Admin02 privilege 15, password admin02 pass. Let's put the 0 right here. The 0 is just to encrypt, for the encryption. I put the 0 right here for encryption only. And IP HTTP server, IP HTTP, and I'll put right here IP HTTP authentication local. Okay. Now let's get ready to settle the tunnel up. I'm gonna use Cisco Configuration Professional, which is this program right here, Cisco Configuration Professional. This program, you can download this program on Google or whatever browser you use, and you have to settle Java to 127.0.0.1, and you have to set Internet Explorer to 127.0.0.1 so it can run the program well. Otherwise you're gonna have trouble with this. I'll probably upload a video where I show how to do and how to get Cisco Configuration and Professional running in your computer. As of now, if you need that information, I can show you later on. Please let me know in the description below, and I'll let you know how to get Cisco Configuration Professional running. Now I'm gonna get first Cisco Configuration Professional, and I'm gonna set the tunnel first in this side over here. Okay, this side first. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is go to the computer and open Cisco Configuration Professional as administrator. Now we're gonna wait for Cisco Configuration Professional to get running. We're gonna wait a little bit more. I'm gonna stop the video and then I'll be back as soon as this is running. Alright, so once you get this program running right here, it will show an interface like this, and this interface basically is well, this program will enter a lot of commands. Sometimes there are 32 commands in a row that you have to basically put in the router to get the tunnel up and running. This program does help you put all those commands at once just by clicking. It's very easy to handle, and just by clicking you can get all the 31 commands put in the router without getting to interfaces and without any authentication, anything. This program will do everything by itself. Now we're gonna get to router 1. We have to click right here in manage community. We're gonna put the gateway. Okay, admin 01. The password was admin 01 pass. We're gonna click OK and then discover. And now you will notice it is already discovered. Right here it says discovered, and then we're gonna go to configure, security, VPN, and we're gonna click in site-to-site VPN. Alright, let me try to work this out a little bit better. I'm gonna try to make this wider. Okay, there it goes. Alright, we're gonna choose the option that says create a site-to-site VPN. It says use this option to configure a VPN tunnel from this router to another VPN device using either a pre-shared key or using digital certificates. To complete this configuration, you must know the remote device's IP address. If a pre-shared key is used for authentication, it must match the pre-shared key configured on the remote device. So basically, we're going to launch the selected task by clicking in the create a site-to-site VPN. Then we're gonna open this interface right here. We're gonna choose a step-by-step wizard, which is specify either the Cisco CP default configuration, custom configuration. We're gonna click next. Now select the interface for this VPN connection. the interface for the VPN connection is going to be this one, the 30 of router 1, 030. As you can see, this by default is gonna have my interfaces right here, all the interfaces that I have in that router, and I just have to look for the 30. Once that is settled, I'll just put the next or remote peer. The remote peer that I want to get is the 172.17.1.1. That's the remote peer, which is the interface 031 of R3. The pre-share key, I'm gonna put Cisco 123. You can put whatever you want. 123. And I'm gonna click on next. Right here in the IKEY or IKE proposals, it is specified the encryption algorithm, authentication algorithm, and key exchange method that is basically used by this router when negotiating a VPN connection with a remote device. Let me add right here, we're not going to touch the priority. Priority is a stain, encryption is a stain, the authentication is a pre-share, the group is still 1, and we're going to click OK and then next. And here transform set is basically the encryption and authentication algorithm used to protect the data in the VPN tunnel. So we're gonna select add, and I'm gonna put right here Cisco. This one is gonna be SHA HMAAC and ESP DES. Those are the two that you have to choose for the integrity algorithm and encryption algorithm. Click on OK. We're clicking next. In this part, you have to put right here, and this left side, the traffic originates from the 10, 0 to the it's gonna go destination 10, 20, 10, 0, mask 24. We're gonna click in next, and here are all the commands that you're gonna put in that router. So you're gonna go to finalize, and you're gonna click in deliver. These are the 31 commands, as you can see. Deliver, and those are delivered, and you click OK. The tunnel is down at the moment, but it will be up. Let's test the tunnel. I'm gonna click and test the tunnel. I'm gonna start testing the tunnel. As you can see, it's down, but all the other things are basically up, right? Why the tunnel is down? Because I didn't even recognize as this other part, and this part right here, this router, and this router doesn't have I think, yeah, it doesn't have the Cisco configuration professional running yet. So that's what we're gonna do next. I'm gonna go to this side of the network. Not sure why this, well, we're gonna move to this side right here. Okay, this side. I'm gonna delete this. I'm not able to open the PC from here because this is just an image for you to understand that this is a PC. I'll have to work from my PC, so I'll go to search Cisco Configuration Professional, and I open that as an administrator. Yes. And let me make sure everything is running according to the plan. This is gonna last a little bit. Opening right here. If you need this topology and the steps that you have to follow, I can send you this in the by email. You just have to let me know your email in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you want. I'll be uploading information for you guys. Um, Now we can see it's running. So we're gonna do exactly the same, but this time is this side of the network, right? This side right here. So what we have to do is open up the gateway, which is a if you get this warning, security warning pop up in your computer, you just accept the terms and execute. Otherwise it's not gonna work, because you have to give access to this specific hypertext transfer protocol address right here. Now we're gonna put right here the gateway, which is the 2 admin02, and the password that I put right here at admin02 pass. We're gonna click on OK, and we're gonna click on discover. Now let's see if it discovers, and apparently it's discovering R3. As you can see, R3 is enabled right here, and it will be discovered in a minute. And there it is, discovered. Okay. We're gonna go to configure, exactly the same, security, VPN, side to side. As you can see, we have the same. So we click and create a side to side VPN. Step by step wizard. We put right here the 0L31, which is the actual interface, which is out 0L31. The remote peer is a 172.16.1.1. The pre-share key is the same, Cisco 123. Okay, the pre-share key is the same, Cisco 123. Cisco 123. Cisco 123. This has got to match, otherwise there's not going to be a connectivity. Here is pre-share. Okay. Cancel. Okay. We're gonna go next. Add. Here it goes, Cisco. And the same I put before. Okay. We're gonna go to next. And this side, the traffic originates from the 10, 20, 10, 0 to the 10, 10, 10, which is to destination. We're gonna go click next. There are the commands. We're gonna click on finalize. Deliver. Now it's being delivered. Test the tunnel. We're gonna test the tunnel over here. Let me test the tunnel over here as well. Okay, that's fine. We're gonna test the tunnel right here. Start testing the tunnel. I'm going to close this. Let me go to test the tunnel one more time. Okay, everything is going well. Let me see right here. This is discovered, and as you can see, well, I had to, sometimes it is basically, it lasts a lot to get to what you wanted this program to show you. But basically what I did was I went to side, and when you test the tunnel, right here it's showing me up already. It's gonna give you an option at the end if you want to continue by putting the address of the exact peer or the exact network that you want to reach. You just have to put the address. If you're using this PC, Cloud 1, you just have to put right here the address of PC Windows 7, which is a 10.10.10, and the tunnel will go up immediately, and that way you don't have to wait until the tunnel is up, which is almost 40 seconds or 1 minute. As you can see, the tunnel is up in both sides. VPN troubleshooting is successful. The VPN tunnel is up in my end right here, and the computer Windows 7 is also showing the same. VPN tunnel is up. This is my video for today. I hope you like it, and you subscribe if you can, and see you next time.